Hi, Kyri.
Hi, Kyri.
We're going to do a YouTube video and you're going to tell me lots of these different dinosaurs and sea animals, right?
Okay.
You're going to try and get them right, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we've got to do things slowly to keep a good video.
Okay.
Right, pick a dinosaur for me, slowly. Bring it over here.
Oh, they're falling.
That's okay. Bring it over here. Don't worry, just leave them on the table, Kyri.
Yeah.
That's fine. Show me that one. Okay, not too close. Just hold it in your hands. What's that one?
A golden T-Rex.
Okay. A what?
Golden T-Rex.
A garden T-Rex.
Golden.
Golden?
Yeah.
If you say it's golden, that's fine. Go and put it over there. It's green.
Here.
No, over there with the other animals that are on the floor that you didn't want.
There.
Yeah. Cool. Right, pick another animal. Let's have a look. So what's that then?
I'm another T-Rex.
Another T-Rex. That's me. Let me pick some animals, okay? Go and put it over there. Put it over there.
That's a big one. So.
Yeah. Right. I'm going to tell you to find me. Find me a tarantula.
Tarantula.
Yeah. Okay, chuck it over there.
That's a
Cool.
big one.
Find me a Apatosaurus.
Oh.
Show me.
Yeah.
Good boy. Put it over there.
That's a big one.
That is. Find me a Baryonyx. Show me. Excellent. Good boy. That's the right one. Find me a Spinosaurus.
Yeah.
Show me. Good boy. Show me Parasaurolophus.
There.
Show me. Excellent. Good boy. Find me Triceratops. Quick.
Can't find him.
Walk around the table if you need to. Good boy. Show me. Excellent. Show me an Ankylosaurus.
Here.
How many Ankylosauruses have we got?
1 and 2.
Okay, chuck them over there. Right, you tell me. Show me where a Diplodocus is.
Here.
Show me. Show me. No, that's not a Diplodocus.
Here.
Don't guess. You tell me. Is that a Diplodocus?
Give me.
Yeah? Good boy. Go and put it over there.
Big one.
Where's a Brachiosaurus?
There.
Good boy. Show me. That is a Brachiosaurus. Put it over there. Not just chuck it on the floor. That would be fine. Show me an Argentinosaurus.
Here.
Show me. No, that's...
Here.
No, you know that's an...
Here.
Yes, thank you. Put it over there. And these... Show me where... Show me a Pachycephalosaurus.
There.
Show me. That's right. Put it over there. What about a Carnotaurus?
Connoisseur.
Yeah.
Ah, you know it, are they? Here.
Good boy. Show me, show me, show me. Got a little bit on the nose. Good boy. Okay. Right. Show me a pterodactyl.
Here.
Show me. Bring it over here.
The same.
Are they? Are they the same?
Yeah.
They don't look the same. One's a pterodon and one's a pterodactyl. Which one's a pterodactyl?
Here.
Good boy. Which one's a pterodon? Okay, over there. Right. Let's get on to Stegosaurus. Where's the Stegosaurus? Quick, quick, come on. Where's the Stegosaurus? Show me. All right. Good boy. Show me another Stegosaurus. Okay, check over there. Quick, quick as you can. Let's move fast. Over there. Right, show me a chameleon. Where's a chameleon on this table?
Here.
No.
Don't know.
You know where a chameleon is.
Here.
What's that?
Cleaning them.
Is that a chameleon?
Yeah.
What does that look like, what you're holding?
There.
What is that?
Cleaning them.
Mm-mm-mm.
There.
Stop guessing. Put that back down.
Where's?
Right, if I said to you, where's a velociraptor? Where's the velociraptors?
Here.
Okay. So you know they're not chameleons. Put them down. Put them on over there. Over there. Right. Where is a gecko?
One
One. Yeah.
and two.
Two. Okay, put them over there.
there's
Where
a big one.
is a bearded dragon?
One and two.
Only one of them is a bearded dragon. Which one is a bearded dragon? Show me.
This one.
Show me it. Good boy. And where is an iguana?
Here.
Okay. Good. So, what's this one?
A Parasaurolophus.
What's this one?
Allosaurus. I need to chuck them.
Okay, chuck the Parasaurolophus and the Allosaurus. What is...
No,
Okay, what are these two?
no. You need to do it.
Okay, show me the T-Rex. Good, chuck them away. Chuck them away, okay? Yep, chuck them away.
You.
Show me a Spinosaurus.
Can't see one. Here.
Good boy, chuck that away. Show me the chameleon.
Here.
Good boy. Chuck that away. Show me Indominus Rex.
Oh.
Show me Indominus Rex.
It is this one.
Alright, come on.
Oh. Here.
Okay, don't chuck that one, go and put that one over there.
Up here.
No, on the floor, that's fine.
Like
Right,
that.
let's do some sea animals. Show me, you pick a sea animal and tell me what it is.
Hey, let me do the dinosaurs.
Forget them dinosaurs because you've done all those.
I haven't.
You have.
There are more.
Okay, what is that?
There's so top.
Go on then. What's that one?
Canadian.
No.
Pteranodon.
Okay, cool. Put it over there. What's that? What are those two?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. What's this one?
Don't know.
You tell me what it is. Hey? No, come on, think.
Don't know.
This YouTube video's turning out rubbish now. What is it?
Apatosaurus.
Patasaurus. And what's that one?
Same.
Good. Chuck it away.
There's still
What
more.
are these two?
Allosaurus.
Yeah.
And where's this one?
You tell me. You tell me.
I don't know.
Sir.
Ceratosaurus.
Okay, go and put it over there. Right, you pick a sea animal now and you tell me.
There's one more.
What's that one?
T-Rex.
Okay, put it over there. Enough. Okay, right. Pick a sea animal.
Mom, I need to learn a little more.
Kyri, this is dragging on a bit. Come here. Right, you tell me what these sea animals are. Pick one. Right, what's that?
A crocodile.
Okay, put it over there. Okay, what's the next one?
A shark.
What shark?
Great white.
Good boy, put it over there.
It can jump.
Okay, you can jump. Go over there. What's that one there?
This one.
Yep.
A hammock wow.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Blue wow.
A blue whale. Okay, put it over there. What's the next one?
A whale shark.
Good boy, put it over there. What's the next one?
Tiger shark.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Don't think so.
A leopard shark.
Leopard shark. Go and put it over there. Okay, what else we got? What's that?
A diver.
Diver. Okay, put him over there. What are these? Tell me.
Orca and a humpback wow.
Orca and a humpback whale. Okay,
Yeah.
go on then. Put them over there. Good boy. Right, you tell me what that is.
A killer wow.
Killer whale. Put it over there.
And shark.
And what else is it called?
A killer wow.
Oran.
Orca.
Good boy. Put it over there.
And his friend.
He's with his friend. Okay, what's next?
A bottlenose dolphin.
Bottlenose dolphin. Good boy. What's next?
A killer wow.
What is that?
Killer wow.
Another killer whale.
Yeah. Can go if it's friends.
Okay. What's next?
A hammerhead.
A hammerhead.
Yeah.
Excellent. Put that away. What's this one?
A
Go on.
grey shark.
Grey shark.
You can go if it's friends.
Can that be called
Great white.
a
Mole shark.
mako
Magic shark.
shark? Okay. And what's this?
A leopard shark.
No. Look carefully.
A backer shark.
A what?
Backer. Batty shark.
Baskin shark.
Backen
Good
shark.
boy. Say bye bye to the YouTube people.
Bye, YouTube people.